Hello, and welcome back, friend. I'm Alex, and today we're exploring a sweet little story called Le Ballon Perdu de la Cour de Récré, which means the lost ball in the playground. In the InkLingo app, you can tap any word to translate it instantly, save new vocabulary, and track your progress. Before we begin, let's warm up with a few keywords. Ballon rouge means red ball. Ami means friend. Frappe means hits or kicks. Cherche means looks for. And sous l'arbre means under the tree. In our story, a boy named Leo loses his favorite red ball in the playground, and his friend helps him search everywhere to find it. Let's listen together now and see if you can catch these words as they come up.
Léo a un ballon rouge. Le ballon est grand et beau. Léo aime le ballon. La cour est grande. Le ballon est perdu. Léo cherche dans la cour. Il cherche à gauche, il cherche à droite. Léo est triste. Son ami Paul arrive dans la cour. Paul voit Léo. « Tu cherches le ballon ?» dit Paul. « Oui » dit Léo. Paul cherche aussi. Il regarde partout dans la cour. Il ne voit pas le ballon rouge. Paul est inquiet. Il y a un grand arbre dans la cour. Paul regarde sous l'arbre. Le ballon rouge est là. Regarde, dit Paul. Léo voit le ballon rouge. Léo est très content. Paul est content aussi. Les deux amis jouent ensemble. Léo frappe le ballon. Le ballon rouge vole haut. Léo sourit.
And there we have it. Leo and Paul found the red ball under the tree, and the two friends played happily together in the playground. If you want to read more stories with tap to translate, word saving, karaoke highlighting, progression tracking, and many more features, check out the InkLingo app. You can also read hundreds of stories for free on the website at inklingo.app.